Welcome back, and now news from sports. It seems like the Duler football stadium will finally get the highly awaited artificial turf by November. The delay in laying the FIFA-approved turf has marred the football schedule in the state since the ground has been unplayable since the beginning of the season. With monsoons now gone and winter season is on, the artificial turf can now be laid on the Duler ground. Prudent sports reporter Nikhil Pereira visited the stadium in Mapsa to take a stock of the situation.
The laying of the artificial turf is the most important part now when we talk about the Duler stadium. Contractors Greenfields were waiting for a dry spell which has now come. It looks like the rains have given way and finally the work can start over here. Speaking to Greenfields, they have told us the only problem here is that 6 inches below the ground there is still moisture. So once that moisture goes, they can actually be sure that the work can go ahead.
The artificial turf, which arrived here earlier this year, has been lying unattended for months together now. While the ground was being processed for the laying of the artificial turf, the monsoons gathered momentum and further work was hampered. But now that Goa is getting sunny spells, the work of actually laying the artificial turf should not take much time. Once the ground is ready, the Goa Football Association will be able to slot the Pro League matches here, where football-crazy Bardeskars are known to throng the stadium.
We are hoping that another 4 days more, the contractors have told us that the water will dry out, the moisture will dry out and they can once and for all lay the artificial turf. They don't even want to haste things because then it comes with a large warranty and a large lifespan, so they cannot take a chance with that. Speaking to Greenfields, they told us they are trying their best to finish the work by the 2nd or 3rd of November. That should come as good news to football fans and GFA. They have given GFA this promise as well. But it remains to be seen whether they can actually live up to it because it's a very short time. Let's all hope they can, because the Pro League can come back here then and relieve some stress of the other grounds that are happening. We tried contacting GFA officials, but they were not available to give a comment, and neither are a few available to speak on camera. With reporter Shamsundar Fatte, this is sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Duler.
The 9 nights of Navratri are marked by a series of religious rituals and cultural performances in the temples. The celebrations continue till Dasra. Most interesting and a special attraction is the Makar Utsav. In our Navratri video series from today, we have for you the Makar Aarti of Goddess Mahalsa at Mardol and Devi Krishna at Marcel. Have a look at the Makar Aarti. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.